Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create an image using AI tool. Here you can go and search for Microsoft Designer AI. Now we can open this website. And you can easily create a free Microsoft account. And on the top here you can see these are different tools that you can use. So simply click here, images, and here you can describe your image that you want to create. So we can use ChatGPT. Create a prompt to create a high converting thumbnail for fast food. Within a couple of seconds prompt will be ready. We can copy this prompt and after that add here. Here you can select the color and select the size. So let me select this one, landscape. Then click here, create button. Here you can see our professional image is ready. We can view this image. So you can use it anywhere. This one is copyright free image. And after that you can easily save this image by clicking this button.